Hey there, young scientists. Today, we're going on a journey through time to see how materials have evolved. Just like animals, materials have changed to help us survive and thrive in our world. A long time ago, people used stones to build and hunt. As we evolved, so did our tools. We discovered metals like copper and iron, which made farming and building easier. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Wood was once the go-to material for everything from houses to toys. But then we invented plastic, which is lighter and more versatile. It's like switching from a heavy backpack to a super light one. Cotton was the main fabric for clothes, but now we have synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon. These materials are stronger and easier to clean, just like how superheroes upgrade their costumes. We used to write on scrolls and paper, but now we have tablets and smartphones. It's like going from a library to having the whole internet in your pocket. We used to build houses brick by brick, but now we can print them using special machines. It's like leveling up in a video game where you can build anything you imagine. So, just like animals evolve to survive, materials evolve to make our lives better. Remember, innovation is the new evolution. Adapt, innovate, and thrive in a world of endless possibilities.